Do you know why does your silicone rubber kitchenware break down in 1 year while others can last for 3 years? Based on my father's 20 years of running the rubber factory, here are 3 tips that can help you pick the most long-lasting and durable silicone kitchenware. The third tip is the most crucial. The first tip, check the thickness. The thicker the rubber is, the longer the life it can be. Thicker design is durable and will remain as good as a new one for 5 years. The second tip, choose food-grade material that are non-toxic, harmless, and odor-free, and have excellent heat resistance up to 230 degrees. The third tip, simply feel it, press it, and it will spring back very well without any stickiness. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Follow me now. Next episode, I will show you how to tell when your silicone rubber products are due for a replacement.